In this video, I'll show you how you can fix a USB mass storage device problem. First step is you want to open up Device Manager. From in here, you want to find Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Open up this one, and in here, you should have either USB root hub or USB mass storage device, or you should have multiple of them. Now, if you only have one of them, that's fine as well, but you should have either one of these or multiple of them. Then what you want to do is you want to find either one of them, right click, properties, and then you want to go to power management and untick this one. After that, you want to close it down, right click, update driver, search automatically, and then come back, browse my computer, let me pick from a list, choose this one, next, and close. And if it asks for this, just wait, and then we want to restart later. And then you want to do it for the other ones as well. So do the exact same, update driver, scan, back, let me pick from a list, this one, next, and take this one, close, no. And then you want to do it for all called USB mass storage device and USB root hub. Also, don't forget to do this, untick this one, okay, and there we go. Now, like I said, if you have 5 of these, you want to do it on all 5 of those, but only if they're called root hub or mass storage device. So that's basically how you can fix it. Keep in mind you need to restart your PC after doing this, and this will help fix the issue. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.